Hello, this is Chelsea from TEMAX Hardware Company. Today I will introduce the visible sliding roller DW02. It can be widely used in sliding door. It is designed with the concept that the visible sliding roller can save energy in the process of sliding door. Just like this, it is a track. When we slide the door, you can feel the door move easily. And the material of the visible sliding roller DW02 is iron and plastic. The wheels use POM material. POM is white in nature. It has strong hardness and rigidity. The finish is black. The diameter is 55 millimeters. Its load capacity is 50 to 80 kilograms. The rollers have two kinds. The main difference is the shapes of the middle part. This one is convex. The middle part is convex. And the other is concave. The middle part is concave. You can see the difference. Besides, there are two main screws, this one and that one. Both of them play a crucial role. Without these two screws, the visible sliding roller can't be stable when installed. This one it can fix the underneath wheels, and the above one you should adjust it the correct position. What you need to do is first adjust it correctly and properly, and after adjusting it, just like this, you can see the white clasp, and just push it just like this. This part can be fixed well. Above all is the introduction of the visible sliding roller DW02. If you have any questions, you can tell us. Thank you for watching.